Okay, let's go. Alrighty, we got the battery from Roadshark Powersports. We're about to put it in the R6 and hopefully be able to figure out what exactly is wrong with this thing. I'm definitely hoping, ooh, yeah, that should be fine. I'm definitely hoping to see if we hear the fuel pump kick on, and if not, then we'll have to obviously check relays. Maybe even have to order a new fuel pump, but we will absolutely cross that bridge when we get there. Ooh, excuse me. Excited to have another R6. I've had a couple. I've had an 01 years ago. It was a limited edition, Champions Edition R1. That was pretty cool. I've also had a 04, which was nice. I had put a bunch of money into it. This was prior my track day racing life, I guess you could say. So I didn't, I had like a full Acura exhaust, and I think full rear Öhlins suspension, and just wasn't into track days, wasn't doing track days, just for street riding purposes. And looking back, I think I ended up trading it for a Nissan 300Z. Looking back now, knowing what I know now, where I am today, really wish I would have kept it. It was a nice, it was fun. It was fairly quick. I had bought it from a buddy of mine who bought it brand new, looped it, and he bought it brand new, bought a brand new 04 R6, his first bike ever. Was out there playing around, ended up looping it, and I think he had it 4 days. I think looped it. It had 25 miles on it when I got it. It was basically brand new, and yeah, it was running on 3 cylinders. So I ended up getting all that sorted, and put a bunch of money into it at a shop here in Jacksonville, Florida. There was a guy there that at this shop I went to who worked for Ducati for a number of years, and helped me put a bunch of stuff into it. It was actually a lot of fun. Wish I would have kept it, but didn't. So here we are. All right, new batteries put in. Let's see what this does. All right, all the lights kick on. Yeah, I don't hear the fuel pump. That thing spins over so fast. Okay, so did not hear the fuel pump prime. So it's either the fuel pump is bad or the relay is bad. Is it looking down at it? I mean, can you see on mine?
Yep, you can see that. Let me tilt it a little more.
pick this up. I should be able to take this off. Yeah. All right. Gotta unplug all of this. Okay. I'm gonna go get some pliers. Oh, you got it? If you want to get in there and pop those hoses off, I think all the gas, if there's any gas, is at the very bottom now. There's not much.
No. See if we get that one on that side first. Oh.
They're both over here.
Oh.
There we go.
I'm going to swap sides, okay. That's interesting.
Looks like a push.
I got it.
Should be a...
There you go. When you push it, you can see them. It should come off. Yeah, there we go.
There we go. All right. You want to take it outside?
I'll lay it in the grass.
I would just lay it on the upside down.
Yeah, like this.
Shit got famous just from being around me. Manifested this, I painted it right in front of her. I used to pull me out, paint it back in double. But I get in my thoughts, I'm inside paranoid. When I get in my thoughts, I'm outside paranoid. jump out of bed like Jordan. I count up bread in the morning. I'm up in the phone, I'm on 10. I wanna be on tour when I'm in the booth, it's really no talking. She's playing hard again, and she talk too much, so I know we locked in. I had the windows down, I was passing by like it was John Stockton. All of these new friends around, but it wasn't.
Let's go! Let's go! Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Every single morning it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up higher, say to stay in line. But inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake. Just a soul with the fire and a limited take. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. I can feel the change in the air I breathe. I can see a future they can't conceive. It's close enough to taste it now, so far from the person I used to be. What in the world is wrong with them? My mom and dad said I was born to win, so you won't hear no crying, no complaining from me, like on every other channel on the damn TV. So just sit right there, don't you touch that dial. Let me borrow your attention for a little while. Can show you a vision, a truth untold, a story that is finally breaking the mold. Oh yeah, now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down, feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. Why was I hiding in the back of my mind? Why did I think that I had to be kind? And will I make it to the finish line? Or will I fade away and leave it all behind? Crack, ignite. Snap, crack, ignite. Let's go! 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 It's all taking over. It's all taking over. It's all.
Yes. Well, we got the 2003 Yamaha R6 back up and running. Appreciate it, Joe. It's going to be a training bike for us, I think. Now all we got to do is put new tires on it, and I think we're good. So all I needed was a battery and a fuel pump, and yeah, we're all set. Now we just got to put this thing back together, and we're all good. So one project down. 2003 Yamaha R6 running, good to go. I'll take her on the block here in a little bit and make sure everything's good to go. Peace.